Does YouTube TV have Disney Plus? No. YouTube TV does not include Disney Plus, and the two services are completely separate subscriptions. Even though YouTube TV carries Disney-owned channels like ABC, ESPN, FX, and Disney Channel, the actual Disney Plus streaming library is not part of the YouTube TV base plan or any add-on. Disney Plus is its own platform with exclusive access to Marvel movies and series, Star Wars shows, Pixar films, Disney classics, National Geographic documentaries, Disney Plus originals. None of this content is included inside YouTube TV. If you want both services, you'll need to subscribe separately. The good news is that you can install both apps on the same device, switch between them instantly, and even share profiles across your household. Some bundles, like the Disney Bundle, Disney Plus plus Hulu plus ESPN Plus, may offer better pricing, but they still don't merge into YouTube TV. They remain standalone apps. On YouTube TV, you can still watch Disney-owned live channels such as Disney Channel, Disney Junior, FX, Freeform, National Geographic, and ABC, but the on-demand movies and originals from Disney Plus are available only through the Disney Plus app. So if you want the full experience, live TV plus premium on-demand Disney content, you'll need to use the services side by side.